Now, the first thing I want to say is that the useReducer hook is actually a replacement or an alternative to the useState hook that we just went over. This means that they have the same purpose in the sense that they allow the user or the developer to create variables that when their values or when their values are changed, the page will re-render to show those new values. However, there is a specific benefit to using the useReducer hook, which I will go over right now. So imagine that, for example, you had an application like this, where it is very simple. It doesn't use a lot of states or anything, but taking into account what we learned from the useState hook, we can see that what it does is it has two states, one called count, which is a number starting at 0, and the other which is a boolean called showText. And basically what happens is we have this button over here and we are showing the value of count, and we also have this text over here which only appears if the boolean showText is equal to true. If it is equal to false, then it shouldn't appear. And the count should represent whatever value the variable count is. So what happens is when we click on this button over here, it both increments count plus 1, and it also sets the showText boolean to be the opposite of what it is right now.